Hey guys, it's Scott here, and in this video I'm going to share with you how to set up a money-making blog or website using WordPress and BLUEHOST. Let's get after it. Now this video is for those that are starting a website from scratch, from domain to an operating website. Step number one, go to BLUEHOST.com. I choose BLUEHOST because this is what I have found the overall best way, short-term and long-term. If you follow this video, you're going to save yourself a lot of time. Step number two is to go to domains right here and search for a domain that you want. Now I already have a domain, it's scottandy.com. I got it right here from BLUEHOST. I think it's $12 to $17, one-time fee. You get charged every year for this. I highly suggest to get the privacy upgrade because you will not be getting these random calls from other people around the world that are trying to get your business. I have bought domains before without this, and sure enough I get those calls, but when I get the privacy, I do not get those calls. The beautiful thing with going with BLUEHOST is that this does host all of your data from your website. You need to have some sort of host, something that holds all your information. But some great things is you can have unlimited email accounts associated with your domain you just purchased. So I can have info@scottandy.com, or I can have scott@scottandy.com, or hello@scottandy.com. I can have as many emails set up and as many emails coming in as I want. From here, you are able to set up your email and pair it up with a Gmail account. It's very simple, very easy, but yet it's very customizable if you do it all through BLUEHOST from the beginning. Step number three is go to install WordPress right here on BLUEHOST. Says install WordPress. Okay, so I had a little bit of a technical issue trying to install my WordPress site to my domain. So what I did is I just called in to BLUEHOST, their support, and I was on the phone for a total of 8 minutes, and they resolved my problem, and now I'm able to proceed with setting up my WordPress site. Step number four, get the right theme from the beginning. I highly suggest using WordPress. The reason why is because it's very simple, yet very customizable, but it's fast. The most important thing is that it's fast. Step five, get the plugin Pretty Links. This will help you set up your affiliate links in an organized, trackable way. You're going to save a ton of time in the future setting this up correctly the first time. Step number six, add your affiliate links from your affiliate programs into Pretty Links. That way you can track everything and then start sharing that link on the internet. Step number seven is to now create content on your blog or anywhere else online. That can be blog form, social media, or videos. Those are the main sources for traffic. You can provide value, teach people about the programs that you're promoting, share, whatever it may be, add value, and then add that link, and voila, you are making money on the internet. You're welcome. Guys, that is the end of the video. I hope you found value in it. If you did, please smash that like button and subscribe and tip that bell notification if you'd like to see more videos like this. Guys, I will see you in the next video.